In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a project inside of HoneyBook. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up HoneyBook like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go up to the menu and go up to projects. Then from here, you'll see a main view where you can see all of your existing projects. And if you want to create a new one, you need to go over here on your right hand side and click create new. Then this page is going to be popping up, and here you can add a name to your new project. You can add what type it is, either bookkeeping, business loan assistant, corporate taxes, other, personal taxes, or tax returns. You can also add a lead source if you want to do that. And you can choose either of these ones. You can add a stage where you can choose either new, discovery, proposal, and all of the others here. You can also add a time where you can add the time zone. For this example, I'm just going to use PDT, PST, and you can add a start date and a start time if you want to do that. You can also add an end date by clicking this button right here, and add an end date right here and end time. And if you want to remove end time again, you just need to click remove it. Then you just need to click create, and then you will add a contact to this project. And you can either create a new one or add existing, where you can find all of your already existing contacts. I'm just going to choose this one and add to project. And as you can see up here, new project created. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!